The federal government don't let her talk loud and clear. The reason why we say, well, we go pay we go pay higher money for electricity very soon. In fact, you don't talk say the reason why we say Nigerians they pay higher money for electricity now because say the federal government now don't stop to dey pay monthly subsidy on electricity which means say every month the federal government dey pay 30 billion naira as a subsidy. That's why Nigerians dey pay low amount of money for electricity wey be say na dey use for una house. Oga Buhari na wetin our federal government na wetin dem talk na im be that. So which means say as the federal government now don stop the monthly subsidy which is 30 billion naira, now we go dey pay high tariff, we go dey pay high amount of money for electricity. The same electricity wey be say we no dey see for our country. The same electricity wey our federal government dey pay subsidy of 30 billion naira on wey be say we dey talk, wey be say our oga dey talk say we get some light wey we no dey use again, we come sell am go for countries and we for Nigeria here we no get light. The same electricity wey our federal government dey pay subsidy on wey be say na darkness we just dey pay, we dey pay 30 billion naira as subsidy and we no dey see light. We dey pay 30 billion naira as subsidy and at the end of the month NEPA, all these PHC wey you call am, dem go take the amount of money they go carry come your bill, the bill wey be say they go give you, this thing go shock you say that connect to heaven, or is my neighbor using my lights? Am I not the only one using the lights? Wetin happen? How my lights take, how the bill can't take high like this? This go shock you. In fact, if you dey use prepaid sef, how your card go dey run, e go shock you. You go think say some demon dey put straw, they suck your light comot. You no go know. The thing go shock you. Now they talk say and the federal government dey help us before. That's why Nigerians dey pay low amount of money for the light wey be say na dey use for your country. So now as the federal government don stop for the subsidy now, so we go dey pay high amount of money. So that which means say no shock if you hear say if you see bill and your PSC or your NEPA man come give you ×3 of wetin na dey use, no shock. You know say before you don talk am say as from next year which is 2022 say we go dey pay high amount of money. So now don give us the reason why Nigerians go dey pay high amount of money for electricity for this country. Now our leaders now they just dey do everything to make sure say we masses we dey in say the more don dey do everything say we dey face more hardship for this country. On top us, on top we masses, VAT, everything high, tax high. If there is increase in fuel price, now we masses go suffer am. There is increase in gas wey be say people dey use cook, increase dey on top am. Now we masses dey buy am. There is increase, wetin you call am again, in fuel. Now we dey suffer am again. Everything for which dey use for this country now, there is increase in it. Insecurity increase dey. Wetin we come dey benefit as Nigerians for this country? Wetin we dey benefit again? Everything we say we dey use in dey high. Still on still say country we still dey borrow money. And now we masses wey we say we no see the money chop, now we still dey suffer am. Imagine for this country we say we dey now we dey suffer for wetin we no chop. So which means say for an average man now, people now go dey cut their wire say they no use light again for their house. So now solar now people go dey use now. In fact, people go move from if solar issue because I hear say very soon now the federal government now go still collect tax on solar. So very soon now people go back to olden days where we say no say olden days no light, nothing. Na lantern, what they call am, na lamp people dey use. So maybe say we go back to lamp. If we want to charge, we go use solar, or maybe we go use sun to dey charge our phone, or everything we say we want to do now for this country. Because our leaders now, they come dey impose many things on us. So we dey pay subsidy of 30 billion naira every month, and we no dey use see light use, and we dey pay money for darkness for our house. For my area, we never get light for like 2 weeks. We no get light for like, in fact, for studio sef, we no get light for 2 days. We no get light, and federal government dey pay 30 billion naira every month for subsidy. No problem. And this country 9 million, so everything now we dey pay subsidy on fuel sef. We pay subsidy on fuel. We dey buy fuel at high rates. Then comot am still dey pay buy at high rates. No problem. My name na MC Top Secret. Make I move on to another headline before I get headache. Bye bye.